In the process of wood production, many facilities have to struggle with finding ways to handle excess wood in a reasonable manner. The surplus wood planks may seem like waste, but with a wood grinding machine, they can also create unexpected values and bring economic benefits to the production facility. So what is a wood grinding machine? What is its principle and structure? Let's explore in this video. A wood chipper is a large and complex device, with many parts tightly assembled together. When the machine operates, we can feel the smell of cut wood and the loud noise of the engine. The main component of the wood chipper is the cutting blade, designed with sharp teeth arranged in a spiral pattern to create the perfect spiral. The cutting blade is mounted on a rotating shaft and installed in the machine's drum with bolts and bearings, creating stability for the machine's operation. During operation, wood is fed into the wood chipper through a material feeding system. Then, the wood is crushed into small pieces or sawdust by the rotating cutting blades or teeth. Impurities are removed through a filtering system, and the wood particles are classified according to different sizes. The wood chipper works on the principle of use the centrifugal force of the steel blades when rotating at high speed to strike the wood chips. The steel blades will hit the wood chips and create sawdust thanks to the large inertia when rotating. The sawdust particles that meet the standard size will fall into the filtering mesh and be collected, while larger wood chips will be retained to continue crushing. Another wood grinding factory, a large tree continues to be fed into the grinder. A fast rotating cutting blade will grind the wood blocks into smaller pieces. The large tree is continuously pushed back and forth between the rotating cutting blades to become smaller and thinner pieces. This process is repeated until the entire body of the large tree is torn apart. Right above the cutting blade, there is a specialized part used to push the wood into the machine. This part includes a shaft, installed parallel to the cutting blade, and some cranks used to adjust the angle of the shaft, helping to push the wood in the right direction and optimize the machine's efficiency. After completing the wood grinding stage, the smaller wood pieces are fed into a screening system to separate the debris and hardware such as nails, locks, and other metal materials. The wood chipper is still widely used by many people as a machine for grinding rough wood into smaller pieces, such as small logs, bark, peeled boards, and wood scraps into wood chips, shavings, and sawdust. When the wood is fed into the chipper, it is ground by rotating blades or teeth around the main shaft of the machine. These blades or teeth can be designed in various shapes and sizes to ensure the efficiency and durability of the machine. The smaller wood pieces are then passed through the screening holes to sort them by size. The size of the wood pieces is adjusted by changing the size of the screening holes. The smaller wood pieces can then be used for various products, such as producing wood fuel, making pressed wood or being used as raw material for paper production. With large wood grinding machines commonly referred to as sawdust machines or specialized wood grinding machines, wood is crushed into smaller pieces. They operate similarly to conventional wood grinders, but they are designed with larger capacity and power to meet large-scale production demands. These large wood grinding machines are often used in the wood production, paper production, pallet production, industrial wood production, and construction wood production industries. They are capable of processing different types of wood with varying diameters and can process thousands of tons of wood per day. When the wood is fed into the machine, the rotating shaft will cut, grind, and crush the wood into smaller pieces using blades or saw teeth. The smaller pieces are then passed through a screening system to remove impurities and sort them by size. Impurities such as branches, leaves, rocks, soil, and metals can damage the grinding equipment. Therefore, the screening system is important in ensuring the efficiency and longevity of the grinding machine. Overall, wood grinders are mechanical devices used to crush wood into smaller pieces, wood powder or wood pellets, serving various purposes in the industrial and construction industries. Different types of wood can be used in wood grinders, including hardwood, softwood, splitwood, recycled wood, and wood chips. Wood grinders come in various types and sizes, from small wood grinders for personal production to large grinders used in industrial production. The design and structure of wood grinders depend on their intended use and the type of wood used. So, we have just introduced wood grinders and the principles of their operation. Have you learned something new? To continue watching our other videos on YouTube, please like, subscribe, and follow us. Hit the notification bell to receive new updates. Have a good day, goodbye, and see you again.